Welcome! In today's tutorial, we're diving into a quick and easy way to disable push notifications for comments on your saved pins in Pinterest using your PC. With the recent updates, managing your notifications has become even more user-friendly. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your Pinterest account. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, look towards the left side menu of the screen. Here, you'll find various options related to your account. Click on the gear icon, which represents the settings. This will take you to the settings menu where you can customize your account preferences. In the settings menu, locate and click on Notifications. This section is crucial as it allows you to control all types of notifications Pinterest sends you. Now, scroll down until you find the category labeled Pins You Saved. Under this section, there will be an option for comments. Click on it to access the specific notification settings for comments on your saved pins. To stop receiving those pesky push notifications about comments, simply toggle the setting to disable them. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click on Save at the bottom of the page to ensure that your preferences are updated. And that's it. You've successfully disabled push notifications for comments on your saved pins in Pinterest. This simple adjustment can help reduce distractions and keep your focus where it matters most. If you ever decide to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and toggle the setting back on. Remember, managing your notifications is key to a more enjoyable Pinterest experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to enhance your Pinterest usage. Happy pinning!